Good afternoon. My name is QianZheng, and my major is civil engineer. Today, I'm going to talk about ground improvement using scrap tire. There are five parts, and the first part I will talk about the research significance. Next is previous research and research question. The first part I'm going to talk about research design, and finally I will going to talk about design evaluation. By recycling and reusing scrap tire in civil engineering, which can save amount of resources. Hence, this is an effective way to promote economic development if appropriate measures have been taken. Every year, a part of scrap tire was recycled for reusing in civil engineering for environmentally friendly for sustainable development. Tire can pose a risk to human health through air, soil pollution. Therefore, application of tire in civil engineering can protect human health by reducing the number of tire discarded. And for the final part, the main purpose is not application of tire in engineering can improve ground performance. The third slide and is the previous research. For the research method, tire chip can be used in civil engineering by mixing with sand or concrete, which can impact sand or concrete performance. In the preparation of sand tire mixture, the main method is to mix tire chip with sand in different preparation, and then treasure test on the specimen to study the change of property of sand. It has been found that the shear stress has been significantly improved because the addition of tire. On the contrary, the dilatancy reduced with the increase of tire content. There are research gaps listed in the first third slides. Firstly, the previous study on the sand tire mixture mainly focused on different arranging sets of sand and tire. Therefore, same arranging sets of sand and tire mixture performance should be investigated. Secondly, few research on the environment have been conducted in the past, so it's effective or it's necessary to investigate the same diameters of sand tire mixture. For the research question, I analyze about and the same arranging diameter of sand and tire should be investigated. Hence, the research question is, what is the shear stress dilatancy and optimum mixing radio when the averaging diameter of local sound and the tire chip is 3 mm. In the percentage of experimental specimens, mixing tire and the sound of arranging 3 mm size in different population by weight, tire content of 0.0%, 10%, 20% to 70%. In sound tire mixture was prepared. The sound and the tire used in the experiments is shown in the slides here. And prepare the same two group specimen and the apparatus. And the apparatus is shown in here. This two group has been carried out simultaneously. This and the RTO string rate of 0.2 and 0.3% respectively. In this slide, I will summarize the advantage and disadvantage of tire sound mixture. The advantage of the design is not enough specimen of different preparations have been used in the study, which contributed to investigating optimum mixing ratio and identifying the change in shear stress and latency by drawing the experiment results into line chart. Where so apparatus and string rate during sharing can lead to the discrepancy of the results. And it's an effective way to take two apparatus and the string rate in the experiments. Nevertheless, this design didn't include studying the effect of sound tire mixture on the environment. Whether the environment problem becomes serious because of sound tire mixture, whether it can reduce the cost and have a positive effect on the economy. The feasibility study of sound tire in practice should also conducted. Thanks for watching.